Welcome to your weekly AI City update. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates.
Welcome to AI City. Google is building its next model while shipping a very different future for video. Here is the split screen in Google's AI story. One clock is counting through a massive training run, Gemini 4. The other is already ticking inside products, Gemini Omni, a video-first system that accepts more than a text prompt. This is not a Gemini 4 hands-on test. We did not access Gemini 4. It is an evidence-led look at what Google says is being trained, what creators can use now, and why those two timelines matter. Google says in its second quarter 2026 remarks that the team has started its most ambitious Gemini 4 pre-training run yet and is seeing frontier progress. That is meaningful, but it is not a launch, benchmark, or access announcement. Analysis: Gemini 4 belongs in the training column. We can report Google's stated status. We cannot pretend to have tried it, measured it, or seen an interface. The useful question is what Google is putting in front of users while that clock runs. That nearby name needs a hard boundary. Gemma 4 is a separate open model family. Google says it is designed to run and fine-tune on local hardware, with multiple sizes and an Apache 2 license. It can process images and video, and smaller versions add native audio input. But Gemma 4 is not Gemini 4. One is an open, local developer line. The other is the next proprietary Gemini pre-training project. Similar numbering is not shared product access. Now look at the clock users can see. Google describes Gemini Omni as creating anything from any input, starting with video. Google says it can combine text, images, audio, and video, then generate a cohesive result. The workflow is conversational. Make one edit, ask for another, and build on the previous scene. Official examples change action, style, camera angle, characters, sound, and setting. Google says Omni applies world knowledge and an intuitive understanding of physics, gravity, kinetic energy, and fluid dynamics to make movement more believable. That is Google's claim, not an independent physics audit. The shift is from a one-shot prompt to a directed conversation. Start with a clip, add a reference image, describe the change, inspect the result, then refine. In Flow, Google says Omni Flash blends real-world inspiration with generated content, supports conversational iteration, and improves character consistency. In Google Vids, Google says it can edit phone, camera, or AI-generated footage with text prompts. Google says Omni is available across Gemini, Flow, Google Vids, AI Studio, and YouTube Shorts, but its DeepMind page warns that a Google AI subscription is required and features vary by tier and geography. Google says Omni Flash is available in Flow to Google AI subscribers globally, and the Vids integration launched for paid workspace accounts. Check the account and region before promising viewers the same buttons. Our Real Footage plan shows official pages and actual browser interaction where access allows it, and labels product page demonstrations, not as our own test of Gemini 4. Performance needs the same discipline. Google says Omni Flash led or tied in selected head-to-head and public benchmark comparisons using human rater studies and company-described evaluation sets. Analysis: this is positioning evidence, not a universal ranking. Access, latency, cost, prompt reliability, and regional differences still shape the workflow. Google says Vids personal avatars are limited to adults with English as the primary language, and Omni Video carries an imperceptible SynthID watermark. DeepMind also mentions C2PA credentials. Transparency helps, but a watermark does not make every scene true, original, or rights cleared. Keep human review for identity, continuity, permissions, and facts. The verdict is 2 clocks, not one launch headline. Gemini 4 is a public training milestone. Gemini Omni is the usable experiment, mixed inputs, generated video, and conversational edits. Watch the interface you can test, and keep the future model in the future tense. That is the signal from Google's 2 clocks. Subscribe to AI City for evidence-led model updates with the receipts on screen.
Thank you for watching. Click here to subscribe. Click here to subscribe for more AI updates.